Hey everyone! In this video I am gonna show you how to make calligraphy parallel pen at home. First of all, the things you need. A pen that would act as the body of our pen. Scissors. A sketch pen, we only need the nib of this pen. A medicinal blister pack, make sure to choose a hard one. All done, let's get started with the process. Cut the blister pack like this, it would be the nib of our pen. Now bend the strip in the middle and cut it. Now cut it in the shape of a broad edge nib. After cutting, the nib would look like something like this. Do the same for the other piece as well. Now cut the tip of the nib according to the width you want. I have cut it to 2.4 millimeters. Remove the nib of the sketch pen and make an incision in the middle of it with the help of a knife. Be very careful, do not cut yourself. I am good with knives, so don't worry about me. Now, put the nib inside the cut section of other nib. Take the other pen and remove its tip too. Now, insert our homemade nib in the pen. And voila, our homemade parallel pen is ready. Time to put it to a test.